Hey, ready to go?
In the box and down the chute, like gas through a funnel and eggs through a head.
Hopefully.
How you doing?
All right, sir, you?
Just getting ready to fear for my life for the next 8 hours.
Okay, you came all the way down to North Platte for that?
Yeah, we did. We knew you were here. We said, hell, we'll show up and talk to you.
Hey, what did I do with my phone?
I don't know what alarm. Hey, the alarm's been ringing on it for the last half an hour, Mike.
Yeah, shut the alarm off.
Okay, I'll keep looking. You know what we're doing? We drove across that storm you guys had last week. We had it 3 days across the prairies up in Canada.
Oh, shoot, really?
I think this might be a little bit different, though.
Yeah, we're higher up.
You know the best thing about these 68 Chevelles? You know what this? It's a cup holder.
Oh, yeah, it's really good.
That's pretty cool. It's, yeah. It's for made, I think, maybe
Parking when you're making out with your old ladies.
Well, no, her knee would hit it and flip it over.
It's for about a 10-pound cup like the coffee cutlery.
Yes. Okay.
That's interesting, actually, eh?
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Okay.
You know what I bet it's for? I bet it's for the drive-in. You know that? That's for you folks who don't know what a drive-in is, you younger millenniums. That's where you take your car and you go to the theater and never get out of it.
Severe. It's not extreme, Abe.
Is that all?
Yeah, it can get worse.
Listen, is severe extreme? Isn't severe more than extreme?
No,
or?
extreme.
Which one's worse?
Extreme. It says don't drive. Pull over.
Where's that car?
Huddle together for shelter. It's not going to be cold. It's wet, heavy snow. It's going to be above freezing.
Snow here.
That was the same storm we had. Hey, this was last week, right? It was a Nebraska low pressure system that caused the storm. Came up through here. Oh, yeah.
It always frightens me when you see ramp closed signs and signs closed going onto the highway. How far is this Loveland Pass down the way?
4.5 hours.
Lights are very bright. Puts it hooked up, you need to put an LED or something in there. Look like two holes in the snow.
Where they look back at 68 too.
Turn left onto North Jeffers Street.
83 to 80, that's where we're going.
Yeah.
I can honestly say that I really, really liked that restaurant we were at last night. Go. Oh, yield, flash, yield. I've never seen that before.
No.
Have you?
No. So they got the right of way, but we can still go. It's safe to do so. Okay, at this gas station out 91. It says diesel, where's gas?
Oh, gas on the other side. Okay, bye. Major brand. Here.
Gets warm right away. They got premium.
I've already given orders now that I had that chunk of steak from yesterday. This morning, that we're not stopping for lunch. He says, you eat that, we're not stopping for lunch.
Is he your father?
I think he thinks he is, yeah.
Are we ready to rumble, Abe?
Yes, we are.
First time I put 87 in here, hopefully it works.
A little burn.
Whatever, I still had half a tank. No, it was 12 gallons. Yeah, my car doesn't like 87. Better find some 94 to top it up in Denver so we can mix it.
It's not f***ing hot out, so that's a bonus about that.
Yeah. It's actually perfect driving weather. It's about plus 6.
Whatever fuel you picked up yesterday wasn't that hot either because it was running on and you didn't turn it off.
honestly weird. I'm going through all these towns I've read about in books and cowboy
Isn't
books.
that weird? Yeah.
Now you're actually
it's
driving through them, right?
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. We're going by there.
Maybe grab me that spray bottle. Well, that didn't help much. Pop her up.
Well, if you're doing 80 miles an hour driving straight out the window, it don't work that
Turn
good.
it so it's blowing up.
It is.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Slow down maybe a little bit.
Okay, I can see. I don't care about your side.
I don't care about my side.
This is it. 350 meters about.
Right there, AutoZone.
Holy like Jesus.
They shooting the move here.
Nice parking lot. I gotta stop somewhere and piss.
They could probably an AutoZone probably have a thing.
Well, I have another connection. I have a guy on the highway in Vale that just told me it's open.
Oh, Mike's wound up like an alarm clock. 7-day clock. 8-day clock. He's not in his surroundings with a bunch of rocks going to fall on his head. He freaks out because he's a control freak and he's not in control and doesn't know where he's going. And literally freaks right out. Instead of just relaxing. How was the pee?
Refreshing, invigorating, satisfying.
Ask him, Avery. Ask him the question.
Hey. Well, man, Garage. Subscribe. Subscribe. Leave a comment. Hey, subscribe, leave a comment. Well, man, Garage. And hey, don't forget to like.
He's making the rounds.
Tick, 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 tick. As the blizzard boils, as the snow heaps up, as Matt smiles. What in the? There you go.
Only $12.
How much?
$12.
That's $30 Canadian.
And I'm missing a wheel set up.
It's been off the. It's been off the studs.
Yeah.
I love your car. I watch you all the time.
How's it going, man?
What's going on,
I
man?
mean, you know this? You know this guy?
Yep, I saw the
I
know.
thought we just picked him up hitchhiking. I was wondering, could I come live at your house? Because he's picking on me. See that? She said sure to come over. See, she's way nicer than Mike is. Look at that. Hey? Perfect. I don't know where your hood prop rod is. It's. You got kids? They took it probably if you do.
Yep.
Oh, you know what? It doesn't. Your gas shock's no good. That's your problem right there. Right? See that gas shock right there? See right there? Your nitrogen shock. That's your problem. That's why I won't stay up because all the gases run out of your shock. Next time you're over there at AutoZone, you might take it hit them up for a shock. It could be anywhere from $20 to $60, but that's why it's not lift holding up. Either that or simply go get your stuff a hunk of wood, jam it on there, and it'll call it a day.
I did not know that.
There you go. Okay. Hey, watch your fingers.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you. What's your name?
Togar.
Avery.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, bye.
Bye.
That's a pain not having a broken nitrogen shock on there and no having no lifter up or down or stick. I tell you what, it'll get you. Especially when the wind comes up and hits you in the head when the hood comes down. I feel way safer now. The next thing we need to do is take a cell phone and throw it in a bush, then we'll make it. Just so you know, guys, if you are traveling, you can get Some not bad stuff if you pay attention.
Where's your fork?
How do we get out onto the road, eh? Where's the directions?
I don't know. Take a look in your phone. You're the one that put them in on your phone, Mike.
See, hang on. Google Maps, get out of here, Maps. Where are we at? It's lost. I think we're going up here. We gotta get out here somewhere, yes. Yeah.
Mike, we're at Avery's favorite place.
Come and go. Come and go. Go and come.
How was it?
Interesting. I can see it being a real harsh experience when it was snowing outside, but we got lucky.
This pump is like unbearably slow.
Holy
It feels like a lot of them are like that.
You know, I'll tell you something interesting. The good thing about this car, Mike's still trying to figure out which side the gas cap's on. Not on that side, not on that side, but right in the middle.